this just in, we've got breaking news coming out of the UFC, and joining us right now with that news is none other than UFC President Dana White. Dana, I understand there will be big changes regarding UFC 169 Super Bowl weekend. What are they?
Yeah, it's a long-time bantamweight Dominick Cruz, who hasn't fought since October of 2011 because of an ACL tear. Then he hurt it again, and then now he's getting ready for the big fight against interim champion Renan Barão. He got a grade 2 or 3 groin tear, so he's out of the fight again. And you know, people have been waiting for this to happen. So what we're going to do is, this guy's been out for over 2 years, so now Renan Barão will become the bantamweight champion, and Uriah Faber, one of the biggest stars in the UFC, he had 4 straight wins. He fought 4 times in 2013, 4 impressive straight wins, and on everybody's list this year for Fighter of the Year, he's going to step in just 3 weeks' notice and take on Renan Barão.
Now, as I recall, Faber lost a one-sided unanimous decision, I think, to Renan Barão about a year and a half ago. Why was he the best option to take Cruz's spot?
Absolutely, he did. And Renan Barão's been tearing through everybody. This guy hasn't lost a fight in 8 years. And like I just said, Uriah Faber has been on an absolute tear, too. 4 straight wins in 2013 against the absolute best in the world. And not only is he ready for this, the guy, you know, is a stud and stepped up and took the fight on 3.5 weeks' notice.
Well, while we've got you on the phone still, people are buzzing about Chris Weidman's victory last weekend after the horrible leg break to Anderson Silva. What's the latest on Silva's condition, and does he ever want to fight again?
Anderson Silva's healing very well. They actually, this week, put a boot cast on him now. He's walking around with crutches and a boot cast. And crazy enough, an ACL tear in the knee puts you out longer than what happened to Anderson Silva. Anderson will be back in 6 months. Back meaning he'll be able to, you know, on his foot again and be able to train. And from everything we hear, I'm going to go visit him this week, but everything I hear, he's doing great and he wants to come back.
That's remarkable. As for Weidman, I know he'll be fighting Vitor Belfort soon. Do you have a specific date yet for that fight?
I don't have the date off the top of my head, but we want to do it in Vegas, and yes, that fight will happen.
All right, Dana White breaking the news that UFC 169 has changed, at least the main event. Dominick Cruz is out. Uriah Faber is in to square off against Renan Barão. Dana, we appreciate you breaking the news right here on SportsCenter.
Thank you.